I don't know where we want to start.
I would just say start bottom up, like filtering get requests. That seems to be like just about 2 weeks. Wait, last 2 weeks ago there was 4th of July, so we did not have a triage meeting for a month now.
Oh, so we got a whole month. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I would say about right around here, 3 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No security. Okay.
So we would be starting with.
So this issue talks about handle end of file on gRPC proxy watch method. I'm taking a look at this. What is the issue
Okay.
talking about? Um, all right. I don't think anybody. Oh yes, they were commenting up to get someone to take a look at it. Anyone on the call want to just take a look at first of all to try to reproduce to make sure that this issue is actually an issue?
Uh, I can probably pick this up.
Okay. If you can
Problem
go
is, I
ahead
haven't
and
set up like the proxy in a while, so yeah, it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm
No.
I'm not clear whether this is actually our bug or gRPC proxy's bug. Or is this our proxy? Hold on.
I think it
Yeah,
sounds
that's
like
kind of what I'm confused by, right? But I think the
Yeah.
HTTP proxy is a gRPC proxy, right?
Yeah, but like the problem itself could be coming from gRPC itself, but that would still be something like if the
Yeah.
error is coming from our code versus gRPC itself, that could lead to opening a bug in gRPC or just like
Yeah.
Yeah.
commenting it back. So either case, if you can just go ahead and comment just comment that you want to get this assigned to you in the issue itself. For some reason, I can't edit the HCD community bug triage meeting itself, but if Ivan, you
Got
can.
it. Okay.
yeah, I'm
I'll
on
just
it.
comment.
Yeah, perfect. Going back up the chain, we have 3 weeks. This one, gRPC proxy. Oh, same person opened 2 issues. Um, they really want this fixed.
Well, I think maybe they're actually building something with gRPC proxy, and so they're running into a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, cool.
So just sort of your normal issue burst when somebody tries something new. Question is this a distinct issue from the EOF issue?
Looks like this one have like well, this is probably their code within the HCD client. I would say, I think V, you said you want to take a look at the first one. If
Yeah.
you want to like experiment.
I'll look at this one too. Like it seems pretty similar, to be honest. So I'll look at it. Like I think I'll start with this one actually. Seems like a more achievable thing. So yeah, I'll comment on both of these.
Awesome.
By the way,
And
if you wanna get it assigned, so the Kubernetes bot can assign it to you if you comment /assign,
Okay, got it.
and,
Okay.
and that
Will do.
way you get automatically assigned. That's
Okay.
the easiest.
and this one is reduce log spam on missing member. Okay, that's kind of like this is something to do with like logging sampling rate, and I see both Mark, Marek, and James commented on this. Yeah, so I think this is handled. I don't think anybody needs to do anything with this.
I honestly think this issue honestly sounds like it would be a good help wanted contribfest issue or whatever, because this does feel like something that a new etcd hacker could potentially take on.
Yeah, but yeah, I'll let we could comment this saying like this might be a good first issue, but I'll let James or Mark decide whether or not.
Well, it's not a good first issue yet. Somebody would have to do some extra information about where the code is located, etc. But it is a feature request rather than a bug, because Okay.
More.
So the next one is one of Marek's own issues. I don't think that needs to be triaged. So filtering get request, which actually has a PR attached to it.
Oh, okay.
Let's take a look at that.
All right. Not okay. Okay. The bug seems to be in. Okay. Filtering is applied. So they also provided a PR. So I guess we just need someone to go.
Review the PR, yeah. Well,
Re-
verify the issue.
Yeah. So let me read this. I don't think they added a lot of text into. Okay, so it looks like what they're trying to do is prefix. Is it one of those like regex weirdness where like slashes get randomly ignored or something, but shows no key with slash key exist? Add division. Okay, okay. The count is wrong. Should be 1. Count is. Wait, they have K1, K2, K3. Why should be 1? They're just filtering by slash K, and they have 3 keys: K1, K2, K3. Am I reading this wrong? Right? In the beginning, there is no, and then they added K1, then added K2, then added K3, then tried to do a filter with just K, but they didn't
But
give it.
it returns a single. Returns a single result, but it says that more false and count 3. Is that the bug?
That could be. Count in the get request result should be consistent with size of the KV array.
Yeah. So I think that's the bug, right?
What is the
Maybe
size of? Where did it return the size of the KV array?
count 3 and more false. Maybe.
Hmm.
So he provided a pull request. What is? Can you open
Yeah.
the pull request and let's see
Yeah.
the?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, a new line for no reason there.
I'm looking at the original bug and trying to figure out why it's a bug.
Yeah, that's what. But what did
Because
this?
he put 3 keys in there and we're getting a count of 3. So why is that a problem?
They're not filtering by K1. They're filtering.
Hmm.
Sorry, I did not have enough time reading through this too.
Yeah, so somebody needs to follow up with JC Ferretti and actually with Christian here and figure out why this is a bug. Because I'm not getting it.
Um, oh, I think okay. finally understood what the problem is. They're only allowing the max create revision up to 1454, which is here. It is still showing count 3, although it's returning only 1. Because
okay.
yeah, okay, now it makes sense. The count should be
Well,
1.
actually, yeah. What appears to be happening is it's ignoring max revision period, because look,
Yeah.
it's returning a revision number that's the actual current revision.
Yeah, exactly. So it is.
In which case, if that's the problem, I don't think their solution is correct.
Filtering is applied max mod revision. Okay.
What version is this? 3.5 or 3.4?
Let's open this up. That's 3.512. Yeah. And the CD control is 3.6.
Well, and supposedly they also tried it on 3.6 alpha. So
Okay.
the
I think we need both. We need both to like try to reproduce this bug ourselves. Someone if wants to take that, and also like build their branch and see if that fixes this revision problem. Again, by reading the code as first glance, as Josh said, I don't think they were solving that exact same problem there. So this line is still there exactly as it were. They got rid of these 2 responses. Okay, filtering.
So yeah, I think so. I feel like it needs to be investigated if it's on the client side or the server side. He's suggesting that the problem is on the server side, but I also see so there's a lot of tests that are failing. So definitely needs more investigation.
Yeah, I'll just add that needs more investigation. I don't think it's like we can assign it to anyone just yet.
Yeah, and I'm not an expert on this area. I don't know if someone wants to take it or not.
Okay, I'll leave this for now. We have not much time to go too deep into this,
Okay.
but I'll just Ivan, if you can just like in the note add that we need more investigation in our today's.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, are you commenting on the issue?
I'm actually commenting on the meeting document.
Okay, I'll comment on the issue so that the submitter knows what's going on.
Okay, go ahead. All right, the next one is bootstrapping etcd using DNS in a DHCP network. Kubernetes cluster, keep spray. Okay. C510. So they're having some networking trouble. They seem to be following this one doc here, but they're also saying they have not done all the things that says on the doc. So I'm a bit confused just by reading this. This is just asking for intended behavior or not. It's a bit high level. Anyone on the call, if they want to just like experiment with networking stuff in that city space, this might be. But
I mean, I kind of feel like the first thing to do is ask the submitter to give the exact set of steps they followed, because they basically said, I did something similar to this doc, but not exactly what's in the doc.
Yeah.
And that means we have no idea what they left out.
Detailed instruction to reproduce this issue. All right, we'll just send this off back to them. Our next one is dial timeout option does not take effect on the watch command.
So what was the conclusion on the previous
I just
one?
asked them to send us back with like detailed instruction on how to reproduce. They just sent us like link to another different doc and said they didn't do everything in that doc. So if someone wants to reproduce this, what exactly would we need to do?
Okay, so follow up with submitter, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that what they got was the intended result, because we do cache the IP addresses. And if he hasn't created the service addresses, the serve lookups, then I'm not sure that etcd has a way to, the health check has a way to find the new nodes. So I think he may in fact be getting the predicted result.
Possible.
So the and one of the things that he said, I didn't create the SRV records. I don't know if this is needed. And I'm like, well, why don't you just try creating the SRV records and see if it comes out different? I mean, it's the first thing to test, rather than spending like literally an hour writing up a bug for us.
Yeah. So this one is talking about like they don't have a HCD server running and they have a dial timeout of 2 seconds, but HCDCTL is getting stuck even with the dial timeout of 2 seconds with no server running in the backend. Wait, what? So if the server is not running, how the get command working well? Oh, get command is deadline exceeded coming out, but when you're trying to do anything else, watch command is getting stuck. Got it.
Okay. Yeah, well, that.
Yeah,
if we can reproduce that, that seems like a bug.
Yeah, someone on the call, if they want to take on and just reproduce this issue, just oh yeah, there is a pull request there. Cool. Let's see.
I think someone commented on this one. Can you go back to conversation? I remember seeing this. And then scroll down. Oh no, so it was just James with.
Yeah, just himself assigning because he was creating a PR.
Yeah. So this one only just basically all it does is it appends to the options gRPC with block. Yeah, there was a to-do there from a while back. If they added this, there is no test assigned to this PR. That probably would be useful to see if the PR actually solves the problem, to have a test with it.
And also, again, there's a bunch of test failures.
Yeah.
Even with retest, so it seems like they're not flakes. So they are actually, or maybe now, yeah. Unit tests are failing.
Okay.
Okay.
Josh, if you want to just maybe add a comment
on the yeah, I'm gonna comment on the PR here.
Yeah, and Ivan, if you want to just take a note in our doc.
Yeah, I mean this is just a couple days ago, so he may not have gotten to it, but
yeah,
let's see whether or not he's.
Yeah. Okay. We have 5 more. We're just about 4 minutes, so we're gonna probably move a little bit faster. Maybe keep the new ones for next cycle, if anything. What happened? Based on reference v3, hash kv API should compute the hash of all MVCC keys up to a given revision, even if the key value is tombstone. However, hash kv could skip compacted revision. For the compacted revision, the lower greater than kr always return true. Assume that the compacted revision is for key A and higher than compacted revision, hash kv won't compute the hash on compacted revision. Okay.
Oof. This bug turns out to be accurate as well. It sounds like we've got a bunch of places where we pretty much just ignore the requested revision,
Mm-hmm.
which suggests to me that our testing is deficient.
Yeah.
But we haven't verified either of the bugs yet. So
Mm-hmm.
the oof. Okay, I don't. This has already gone beyond the triage stage.
Yeah.
We have a whole distinction here and different analyses of the problem, etc. But it is
Okay.
getting attention. I mean, it does suggest going through the triage. One of the things we've identified is if these various bugs are verified, we really need to look at our test cases for requesting a specific revision, because it
Mhm.
sounds like we don't have good coverage there.
Okay, so this one, someone filed an issue yesterday. Someone else actually encountered
Yeah.
this problem before, had opened an issue around the same time. That's awesome. Okay, let's take a look real quick.
Can you check the version?
Oh,
Expand. Let's see the
yes,
version.
it is 348. 3418.
Mm.
Oh, really?
Okay.
So I think
Yeah, I think the answer is stop trying to compile 3.4.
18. So at least go to the try with the latest.
Yeah.
There could be reasons they can't use the newer version, but
But it's up. So it's the latest patch version. So
is it?
it's still the same minor. So we're in 3.4.30 something.
Right.
If my memory serves me well.
I mean,
So I think
Okay, I'll add a comment here.
this is 3.3. Okay. 3.3.9.
yeah, 3433 is the latest.
Mhm.
Okay, Josh is adding a comment there, and I'm assuming the
Yes.
first one is also repeat of that. This one is there has been a commit in the main branch for at least 10 months that adds option go package, but the latest version does not have this option. Okay. Using
I think yeah, look at like this one is gonna take a little bit longer, and we're at time.
yeah.
Yep.
I
Okay, just
don't need
add
to
that
use.
we have not
But I mean,
like,
we're already caught up to like a day ago, so
Mhm.
and
Is
this is a duplicate of the same issue we saw, and basically they're
Okay.
using also XCD version. This is
Oh, 3.3.
oh good lord. Okay, they're using 3.3.27.
okay, anything against 3.3 we should just close,
Yeah.
honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Say,
I
please, if you can reproduce this if you can reproduce it with a supported version, then let us know. But 3.3 is dead.
I
Yeah.
can close it if you guys want.
Oh, wait. Is this option go package?
No, this is client,
the client gRPC, yeah.
version conflict.
Josh, do you wanna
Sure.
do the honors or I do it? Okay. All right, so I have to jump into another meeting.
Yeah, no worries.
Talk to you
I think
next
we're all
week.
caught up with everything. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thanks, Josh and Ivan.
See you guys.